Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by preserving your current setup so you can revert quickly. First, close Aseprite and copy your config folder to a safe location. This prevents lost settings. Next, open the Aseprite installation and the user config path to find existing theme files. Look for Aseprite theme or JSON files. Once done, place the new theme file where Aseprite reads themes or keep it on your desktop for editing. Make sure you have a plain text editor ready to inspect the JSON if needed. You'll now either install or customize the theme. If installing, copy the Aseprite theme or JSON into the themes folder and restart Aseprite to load it. If editing, open the theme JSON, change color hex values for panels, text, and backgrounds, and adjust opacity or spacing numbers where present. Once you save changes, restart Aseprite to see updates. Make iterative small edits and reload between changes so you can isolate problems and keep the theme. You finish by choosing the theme inside Aseprite Preferences. Open Edit Preferences Theme, select your new theme, and apply it. Restart if elements don't update. If the theme doesn't appear, check the file location and file name and validate JSON syntax. One missing comma can prevent loading. If colors look wrong, revert to your backup copy of the config or pick the default theme to recover. Finally, adjust and re-export the theme only after confirming it displays properly across toolbars and dialogues.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.